today's demo, we're going to take a look at the interface between SMSTurbo ticketing and CometTracker. CometTracker is a third-party piece of software made by Axsoft. CometTracker is software used for dispatching and tracking of loads in the field utilizing iPhones, Android-based cell phones, Android-based tablets, and iPads, as well as certain GPS units. We're going to start out by creating a simple ticket in SMSTurbo. There are other demo videos that will go into more detail about SMSTurbo ticketing, so for today we're just going to create a quick, simple ticket. I'm going to start by entering the truck. This has a default customer, the job where the product is going to be delivered. We'll select the product that's going to be delivered to the customer, half-inch crushed stone. We'll capture the weights from the scale and enter some remarks for the driver. At this point, we have all the information necessary to complete this ticket, and we will do so. This is the CometTracker software made by Axsoft. At the moment, we're taking a look at the dispatch board. CometTracker can be configured to automatically refresh its data from the SMSTurbo database. We now see that the ticket that was created in SMSTurbo has appeared as a new order in CometTracker. If we open up this order, we're going to see that the information here came directly from SMSTurbo. The ticket number, the customer, the type of service being delivered, the address of the job where the product is going to be delivered, the actual product, the total tonnage. Even the notes that we entered on the ticket are going to show up on this dispatch screen. From here, we can edit this order by assigning it to a driver in the field. Now in this case, I've only got myself set up, but I'm going to dispatch or assign this load to Victor Parrish and save the record. My phone just notified me that it received a new order on my handheld device. In my case, this is an Android cell phone, and I can open up the new order that was just received. Here's the order that came from CometTracker. I can open it up to get the details, the delivery address, the material, where it's going, the special notes, etc. We can even go so far as to actually click on the address and pull up a map so that I could navigate to this particular location. From here, the driver can choose to change the status of this particular load. By doing so, we see that it's already in a dispatch mode, and we can say that he's now en route to deliver this product. Once he's on site, he can recall the load and change the status to on site. Once the delivery is completed, he can change the status of final time to delivered, and at this point, the system pops up a user-definable form that can be filled out by the driver with information relative to the delivery. I can enter the information about who received the load. I can take a photo. This photo could be the person that's receiving the load, it could be the delivery, it could be the load on the ground, etc. We can capture a signature of the person taking delivery for the product. We can enter the date and time that it was actually delivered. In this case, it's configured to capture the date and time directly from the phone. We could put in any special notes. We could even capture an odometer reading. These fields are completely configurable by the user. I set these up for this purpose. Once that information is collected, it is passed back directly to the CometTracker software running in the office. If we go back to the computer and take a look at the order in question, we're going to see that the status has changed to delivered. If we drill into it and we go into the form that was filled out on the handheld, we're going to see that the information that was captured is in the CometTracker software. Additionally, this information can be passed back to the SMSTurbo ticket. The ticket has been updated with the image that was captured in the field, the signature that was captured by the driver, as well as the details that were captured in the user-defined fields on the phone. I should point out that this information is highly configurable. This can pass tickets that have been opened and need to be completed. It can pass information on tickets that have been completed but need to be delivered. It can retrieve virtually any information necessary by the driver in the field and return that information back to SMSTurbo. Now you have one central location to do all of your reporting for tickets created in SMSTurbo and delivered via CometTracker.